Hi guys, what's up? For this video, I'm going to be making some Cream Heroes notebooks DIY. Now, the best thing about this DIY is you really don't need that many items to make it, and all these notebooks were inspired by Cream Heroes, which is my favorite YouTube channel. So let's get started to the DIY. The first that you will need for this DIY is cutout kitty shape. I have a piece of photo paper and I'm going to take kitty cutout and trace that out, and I'm going to flip it over. Make sure that you do flip it over. I'm gonna to trace that out. Then I'm gonna go ahead with my pair of scissors and cut that out. Now we can bring our notebook cover to life by adding in color. I'm gonna fill it in with orange, which the color of Didi. I'm using acrylic paint to decorate my notebook covers, but you can also use color pencil, marker, whatever you prefer. Then I'm adding the eyes, nose, and mouth. Now I'm making the other cover, which is Titi with the gray color. For Rara, I'm gonna make the eyes with the blue color. And here is Ruru cover. By the way, I'm in love with Ruru. He is really cute. Momo the chairman, he's look like a Garfield with slim body. And this is Coco. I painting Chuchu with the wrong color, but it doesn't matter. it's time to make the pages. I'm tracing out the kitty shape. I'm going to start cutting the kitty shape. So I'm just collecting all the pages that cut. The best part about making your own notebook is however many pages that you want. Then I'm going in with hot glue. I'm going to add that to the side and kind of blend it. You can also use white glue instead. And here are the pages for your notebooks. The final step is to attach your pages to your notebook's cover. So I'm putting some hot glue, then I'm going to glue it together. And here is your completed Cream Heroes notebooks. Comment down below which your favorite. By the way, don't forget to check Cream Heroes channel cause they are really adorable, really cute, and I'm watching it every day, every night. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this video and have a good day. Bye!